It goes without saying that the foods we eat are of utmost importance to our bodies. Our health, both mental and physical, greatly depends on the choices we make in our diet. There are three main food types: protein, carbohydrates, and fat, and in this article, we'll discuss each one along with its benefits and drawbacks. Protein. First on the list is protein. Protein comes in two forms: animal protein and vegetable protein. Animal protein comes from meat, beef, pork, etc., poultry, fish, game animals and eggs. The whey in milk is actually the highest quality protein there is, followed closely by eggs and beef. While whey is a very high quality protein, it is also quickly digested, so consuming protein in this form will not keep you feeling full for very long. Beef and other meats, on the other hand, take longer for our bodies to digest and will help stave off hunger, important if you're trying to lose weight. Vegetable protein comes in the form of beans and legumes, tofu, and some dark green, leafy vegetables like spinach. Corn and potatoes also contain protein, but in much smaller amounts than their animal counterparts. For example, 1/2 cup of ground beef has approximately 15 grams of protein compared to approximately 5 grams in a medium russet potato. The amino acids of proteins from any source help build strong muscles, bones and teeth, and the iron in protein helps to carry oxygen through your bloodstream. This is likely why those with an iron deficiency have a sallow complexion. They simply aren't receiving enough oxygen to the skin's surface. Carbohydrates. Next on the list are carbohydrates. There are two types of carbohydrates, or carbs, as they are also called, simple and complex. Simple carbs are derived from those substances our bodies don't need much of: sugar, white flour, pasta, bread and rice. Some fruits and vegetables are also considered simple carbs as they contain fructose, which is a fruit sugar that our bodies respond to in the same way it responds to simple sugars. Complex carbohydrates consist of foods that stay in your digestive system longer, such as rolled, not instant, oats, brown rice, and lentils. The glycemic index ranks carbohydrate sources depending on their ability to raise the blood glucose level after eating. Simple carbs have a higher number on the index, and complex carbs have a lower number. A slow, steady rise in your blood glucose level is better for your metabolism, helps you to stay full longer, and also helps to avoid a sugar crash that you typically experience after consuming a lot of simple carbs. Fat. Though it tends to get a bad rap, fat is a necessary and vital part of every single cell in our bodies. From your brain to your toenails, your body needs fat. And contrary to popular belief, you do not get fat from eating fat. Choose unsaturated fats in the form of lean meats, poultry, and cold water fish, and you'll be consuming all the proper fats for proper organ function, healthy skin, nails and hair, and vitamin absorption. Don't skip the good fats despite what you hear.